Today I'm going to show you how to order barcode labels from our website. So open up a browser window and go to FBConcordconsignment.org, and then we have our registration links right over here. You'll click here on registration links, and then you want to scroll down until you find the link for barcode label ordering. So we'll click here. You will need your consignor number and password that you set up when you first began to consign with our sale. We'll put in that username and password, log in, and then you're ready to order your barcode labels. Prices must be in dollar amounts. I need some $1 labels, and I want to print a whole sheet of $1 labels. So I'm going to print 30 because the Avery 5160s have 30 labels per page, and I'm going to allow the discount. So I'll submit that barcode. And so now here it is right down here showing me this one has been ordered. Now I need some $2 labels. I want a whole sheet of those. I'm going to allow those to discount, submit those. There we go. And some $3, whole page of those. Let those discount. If you did not want them to go half price on Saturday, then you would choose no, that you do not want to allow the discount. Our stuff tends to sell better if you do allow it to discount, because if it doesn't sell on Friday and it is set for no discount, a lot of times it does not sell on Saturday. So you have a better chance of selling your stuff if you do allow the discount. And we ask that if you're going to donate your items, that you please allow those to go at discount instead of no discount if you don't intend to even come back and pick them up. And then we'll do one more. Once you have all of your barcodes in the system, then I'm going to submit my barcode order. And it tells me my barcode order was processed successfully. My batch number is 65. You want to remember that in case you have to call about it. You would tell me it was batch 65. It's also a way for you to pull that order up again if you needed to print them again. And it says that your barcode labels are ready to display and be printed. And it is also saved in your account on your consignor homepage, so you can pull it up again that way as well. And when you're ready to print them, you're going to click Continue. And right there is my barcode label tag orders. So if I click on that, it pulls it up as a PDF file. And once the PDF file is pulled up, you want to put your labels into your printer and click Print. And mine aren't coming up. There they go. Okay, so there's one sheet of my $1, one sheet of $2, one sheet of $3, and one sheet of $6. So I would put 4 sheets of barcode labels in there. Go up here to the top and I would hit the print button, select my printer, and then I would click print. And that's all there is to barcode label ordering. If you have any questions, you can email consignment@fbconcord.org.